During a race weekend, a big part of the technician's work is to set up the car and do different adjustments every time the car comes in. The big part is to make sure that the car is working correctly, and after that we do quite a lot of adjustments on the car. Before every outing, we discuss what can be done during the session, what time we have to be able to do certain things. We work a lot with the tires, and then we do a lot of chassis adjustments. And that's when the technician comes in and informs the engineer what they can do with the time that they have. When the car comes in, the first thing the driver does is he describes the car. The engineer looks at the data, he looks at the tire, he talks with the technicians, and we're going to go through some of the basic setup adjustments with our technician Daniel here.
So now we're gonna adjust the camber, and I will show you how to do it. So now we will try to get the tire to lean more like this to get more grip on the rear axle. And to do that, I will add a shim for the rear camber. I also need to compensate the toe angle. And that's about it. It's done.
The air of the car is another important element. According to our regulations, we are really limited on what we can do, but we can adjust the rear wing.
So now we will change the rear wing, which gives us more downforce, more grip, but it will go slower in a straight line speed. This way, we will get more downforce and more grip, and if we go that way, we will get less grip, but quicker in a straight line speed.
A way of fine-tuning the handling of the car is by adjusting the settings on the dampers.
So this is one of the quickest change we can do. This gold one, you change the compression of the car, which means how quick it will go down. The black one will change the rebound to see how quick it goes up again, and we can get more or less grip.
These settings are the key to our success. The engineers need to know exactly what happens when we do the adjustments. The technician needs to know how long it takes, because they are always under time pressure. The quicker they work, the more time the car can be on track.
My name is Emil, and I have responsibility of the tires for Lynk Co Cyan Racing. When we are racing and testing, we have new tires and used tires. This is my two tools, one for checking the tire temperature and one for checking the tire pressure. When the car comes into the box, the first thing I do is taking the tire pressure, and then I give it to the engineer. And after I take the tire pressure, I take the tire temperature on 3 different positions on the tire. Tire is the most important thing, so you need to have good temperature and pressure in the tire to get a fast car.
My Lynk Co 03 race car is based on the Lynk Co 03 road car, and they are built in the same factory in China. The race team can actually visit a Lynk Co dealer and buy parts for the race car.